up guys, it's Alex back at it again with a video. This is gonna be a little different from before. I don't know, this is kind of weird, but I just got in 2 new devices, highly sought after. Actually, one of them's highly sought after right over there. But of course, I got the Sony Bravia x900H or x900H. They got the brand new PS5 right over here. So basically, we're gonna do an unboxing video, and we're also just gonna take this down and upgrade the system. This right over here is an older Sony Bravia. I have no idea. I've had it since I was maybe, I don't know, in middle school, and I'm 22 right now. And that's a PS4 Pro, and it's time to get rid of it to change it off to this. Oh, and quick sneak preview of my new room setup. Pretty sick right over here. But yeah, just a little update stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this unboxing, yo. Okay, I'm gonna complain one last time. One more time I'll complain. But look at this. How you gonna, if you're focusing or not, whatever, but how you gonna have like this little piece of plastic on there? That's crazy. Oh, there's one right over here, man. Look at that. Alright, that should be everything. So this is just an unboxing video for this and that. Do that very shortly. But dang son, you know it's not the thinnest TV, but it's pretty thin from what I've had. It's 55 inches, which is perfect for this setup. It's super nice. And I'm super excited. You know, I'm a brand loyalist, I guess. Generally have Apple products. Of course gonna branch out to more PC parts when I build my first PC, but definitely I have to stick with Sony when it comes to TVs. Alright, cool. That's all for that. Up next, we're gonna go ahead and do the PS5. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead and go to the unboxing of the PS5. Now, I am super lucky to be able to get this bad boy right over here. I tried so many times on Best Buy, Target, Costco, Newegg, everything to try to get my hands on one of these, but no luck until actually yesterday, or honestly this in the morning around 2:25 a.m. I was up hella late on Target's website and there was rumor that there was gonna be a drop, and luckily I was able to somehow snag one of these guys. So truly blessed. Thank you to all those Twitter accounts that do the PS5 stuff and all the sneaker drops. Super dope, super dope. But I'm sure you guys all seen this, so let's just go ahead and quickly unbox this. When I did first get it, I got it at Target. It was kind of funny because like we had to, I went in and then I scanned the QR code and then they were like, oh, hold up bro, bring your car around and let's go put it in your trunk. I was like, okay, so it's that big of a deal. So it's pretty cool, man. So let's open this up. It should be simple, actually. Oh man, this shit's kind of big. Ooh, this shit's hella nice. Damn. Don't know if you can see it, but it's the PS5 in all its glory. That's super big, honestly. God, jeez, bro. It just overshadows it, man. That's crazy. But one thing's for sure, this has way better air quality, or thermals, I guess, or airflow compared to this guy, because this thing would sound like a jet engine. That's crazy. That's so cool. Catch you in the next video. Probably gonna be a quick room tour, and then a couple reviews. But thank you for watching, and peace.